Welcome to my channel, Easy Life Hack. Today I will show you a very simple but useful life hack that will help you save money. We'll be able to use old batteries that you were going to throw away. Let's get started. Where are you from? Say in the comments section the name of your country. I would love to connect with Pipe all over the world and see where my work is shared. Feel free to comment any hack idea I should do next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you. Did you like the life hack or not? Write in the comments and see you in the next videos.